great. It's my debut directorial venture as a film director. My film all about weddings. It's a Bengali film, Biye Fiye Niye, and it's got into Panorama New Horizons section. We had the screening today morning, and it was house full, and it's a great feeling. It's about the film is about a wedding. And Indian weddings are very colorful and nice and fun, but this is underneath that fun, underneath the color, there's a lot of problems. So it's about that. It's a, in a way, romantic film, but also it kinds of borders, addresses a lot of queer angles, taboos and various things. So it's basically, it's all about that. It's about today's generation. It's about the Gen Z, about the, like that. And the message is basically, let's be together, let's be tolerant about each other and accept our differences and move on.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
What I can say, the only thing that he's done, or the filmmaker has done, he's made it in a popular mode. I think I've been in this industry for a long time. I think we always have this belief that serious film has to be very serious, and popular films are about nonsense. So that is not right. So he's made it a very popular film which tells a serious story.
It's a type of festival, I think, gives a platform to the young filmmakers and
yeah, absolutely. This type of festival, of course, there's a lot of young filmmakers this time. So he took the film to Paris first. He got an award, and now he's quickly come here. So we didn't get enough time to prepare, and we got a last-minute entry. So we are very grateful to IFFI. Thank you.
Any plans to maybe screening it on the larger screen?
Of course, we made it for the big screen. Of course, we'll do it. We'll do this festival rounds, and of course, we will not sell it off to an OTT. We will release it on the big screen.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.